this video, we'd like to share an important announcement from Antai Hospital regarding our hyperemesis treatment. Now, in recent weeks, we've received many inquiries from patients who are suffering from hyperemesis and are seeking our HCG desensitizer that is highly effective in curing your hyperemesis. Now, many women are actually in the state of hyperemesis in the middle of their pregnancy. They are unable to travel directly to Antai Hospital where the medication and the staff, the doctors are ready to serve and treat you. That is why for emergency situations, highly critical situations where the mothers are suffering from especially severe, complicated hyperemesis gravidarum, and they have no intentions of abandoning this pregnancy. What I mean by that is that they want to keep the pregnancy, they want to persevere and seek proper treatment remotely. Antai Hospital is now offering this home treatment for this hyperemesis gravidarum. So the plan is, if patients, especially those that are living very far away from Antai Hospital, patients abroad, for example, the UK, Europe, United States, parts of Asia as well, regardless of where you come from, this treatment will be available for you should you choose to accept our terms. First of all, the term is that we agree to give you this treatment where we will directly send the medication straight to your address so that you or your family member can pick it up. We understand that during hyperemesis, travel is not recommended and many people are unable to even leave the bed, do some basic exercise because of how severe their episode is. So for these emergency, complex, complicated, highly severe hyperemesis, Antai Hospital is willing to directly send you this medication. So term number one is that patient must be willing to pay upfront for the medication. You must first give us the treatment cost for HCG desensitizer directly to our accounts of the hospital. Once that is done, we will immediately send the medication over to the stated address that you have provided. Second term is the most important term here. First term is regarding the pricing and the treatment cost. Patient must pay the hospital the relevant cost. Secondly is that patient must appoint or choose a medical professional of their own choice. For example, the best case scenario is a nurse that they know of from their clinics they visit to or the hospitals that is willing to actually assist them in the injections of our HCG desensitizer. This can be done at home, but this nurse that you appoint must strictly adhere and follow the commands of our doctors here at Antai Hospital. During the entire process, we will be engaging in video call, teleconsults to oversee the entire process. So this nurse that you appoint must follow the advice, the instructions of our doctors here from Antai Hospital. We will be communicating via the video call, and this nurse must strictly adhere and obey our instructions. This is of paramount importance. If you do not follow our instructions as stated by our doctors here, there may be chances of potential complications, side effects, and unwanted risks that may involve some problems with the pregnancy that we don't want. So the term one is that you must provide the treatment costs first so that we can send the treatment directly to you. Secondly is that you need to provide and appoint a cooperating nurse or a medical professional that can administer this treatment for you. So if you can find and fulfill these two terms that we provide, Antai Hospital is willing to help you, and this treatment can reach to you within a week, within days, if we can make it sooner. And once administered properly according to our instruction, you can see yourself that your hyperemesis gravidarum will slowly dissipate. Within a day or two, your symptoms will subside, you regain your appetite, you regain your sleep, and you no longer are suffering from the nausea, and the constant vomiting and the lethargy. So I hope more patients will get in touch with us, especially those abroad and unable to reach us directly via the hospital. This is a new option for you. And Antai Hospital wants to serve and treat our hyperemesis patients globally, those who are suffering with no effective treatment. Now there's a new plan that we are introducing to you, and hope that we can help more women out there suffering from hyperemesis. So do get in touch with us via the website if you'd like to find out more information about this home treatment, and leave me a comment down below as well.